In Business Central, you have the ability to inspect the page and the data on that page. For example, let's go into Items. And from this page, I wish to inspect it. There are two ways to get to page inspection. One, to press the question mark, scroll down to Help and Support, and press on Inspect Pages and Data. This will load this grey section, which will show you the ability for you to see the page route and the table that the data is sourced from, and it will show us relevant extensions and filters and all of the fields that are within this page, including ones that are hidden that are system-only data fields. The other way for you to get to this, hold Control, Alt, and press F1. And that's how you inspect a page.